Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering one of the most challenging event in the game, the Quick Qualifier. I will show you how not to only survive but also dominate in this tricky challenge. Let's dive right in. The Quick Qualifier is an intense event where you are up against other players in a series of quick battle, and the goal is to get highest score in a limited time. But don't worry, with the right strategy, you can come out on the top. Let's break it down. Choose the right army composition. This is critical as you only have a short time to get through the battle. You want an army that is fast and efficient. Some of the best units to use for the quick qualifiers are following. You want an army that is fast and efficient. Then you have to prioritize defense destruction. Once your army is set, key to success is taking out defense quickly. In quick qualifiers, the quicker you eliminate defenses, the faster you can move on to the next part of the attack. Then use your hero abilities effectively. Let's talk about our heroes. They are powerful, but also crucial for this event. You want to use their ability at just the right moment. Then keep an eye on the clock. Time is of the essence in quick qualifier. You don't have all day to plan your attack, so you need to keep an eye on the clock. Don't hesitate too much, but don't rush blindly either. So you have to learn from each battle. After each match, take a moment to review your attack. Did your troops survive longer than expected? Could you have used a spell differently? Learning from each match will help you fine-tune your strategy and improve each battle. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to beat the quick qualifier in the Clash of Clans. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.